Welcome to CDG Training, a global leader in online training and certification. Are you ready to take your career to the next level with our ISO 9001 Lead Implementer course? ISO 9001 certification is a crucial standard for quality management, demanded by organizations around the world. As a lead implementer, you will be at the forefront of designing, implementing, and managing an organization's quality management system. At CDG Training, we provide a comprehensive and flexible learning experience, tailored to meet your needs. Our self-learning modules allow you to study at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Engage with interactive content designed to make learning easy and effective. Benefit from the guidance of industry experts who will help you master every aspect of ISO 9001. Learn how to apply ISO 9001 standards in real-world settings, ensuring organizational success. Earn a globally recognized certification that will set you apart as a qualified lead implementer. Boost your career with enhanced leadership skills and open doors to new opportunities in quality management. Join the ranks of professionals trusted by leading organizations worldwide. Connect with a global network of learners and professionals, sharing knowledge and insights. Getting started is easy. Simply visit our website and enroll in the ISO 9001 Lead Implementer course today. With affordable pricing options, CDG Training makes it possible for anyone to pursue certification. Visit www.cdgtraining.com now to start your journey as an ISO 9001 Lead Implementer. CDG Training, empowering your future, one certification at a time.